Next, show that the equation of tangent to the curve x by a power n plus y by b power n equal to 2 at a comma b is x by a plus y by b equal to 2. Page number 269. Equation of tangent to the curve, given curve x by a power n plus y by b power n equal to 2. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి, ఈ కర్వ్కి పాయింట్ దగ్గర టాంజెంట్ కనుక్కోవాలి. ఈ కర్వ్కి PA, B దగ్గర టాంజెంట్ కనుక్కోవాలి. అది గివెన్ పాయింట్ PA, B. Differentiating on both sides, we get n into x by a power n minus 1. Inner derivative of x by a 1 by b 1 by a. అలాగే ఇది కూడా n into y by b power n minus 1. y by b కి 1 by b, y కి y dash constant 0. y కి y dash constant 0. దీన్ని ఎటు పంపించేద్దాం, n by b y by b power n minus 1 y dash ఈక్వల్ దీన్ని ఎటు పంపించండి, n by a x by a power minus n by a x by a power n minus 1. That is, substitute PA, B at point PA, B, that is n by b, b by b 1, n by a by a 1, that is y dash equal to minus b by a, that is slope equal to minus b by a. Next, equation of tangent is y minus y1 m into x minus x1, y minus y1 m minus b by a, cross multiplication ay minus ab minus bx plus ab, that is bx plus ay equal to ab అంటే ab 2ab ని బైలో పంపించండి, x by 2a y by 2b equal to x by 2a plus y by 2b equal to 1. 2ab ని బైలో పంపిస్తే x by 2a plus y by 2b equal to 1, or x by a plus y by b equal to 2 cross multiply అవుతుంది, x by a plus y by b equal to 2. అంటే ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ టాంజెంట్ at x by a power n plus y by b power n equal 2 at a, b is ఏం చేయాలి, x by a plus y by b equal to 2. Given curve x by a power n plus y by b power n equal to given point PA, B. Next, x power n formula, differentiating on both sides n into x power n minus 1 into inner derivative of x by a. ఇది కూడా n into y by b, y కి y dash, inner derivative of y by b 1 by b. అలాగే n by b y by b power n minus 1 into y dash, దీని లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ రైట్ సైడ్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేస్తాం. at PA, B, x plus లో a y plus b సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే y dash dy by dx equal minus b by a, which is slope. Equation of tangent is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. m is minus b by a. Next, cross multiply చేస్తాం, that is x by 2a plus y by 2b equal to 1, x by a plus y by b equal to 2. That is equation of tangent. So that the area of triangle formed by tangent to the curve xy equal to c at point A, B, at any point with coordinate axis is constant. అంటే ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ట్రయాంగిల్ కాన్స్టెంట్ అని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. given curve ఏంటి xy equals c, given curve xy equals c అంటే ఈ కర్వ్ కి x axis y axis ఎనీ టాంజెంట్ డ్రా చేస్తే ఎనీ పాయింట్ దగ్గర x ఇంటర్సెప్ట్ a y ఇంటర్సెప్ట్ b తీసుకుంటే ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ట్రయాంగిల్ అవుద్ది half into modulus ab, half into modulus ab అదే అప్లై చేస్తాం. xy equals c కదా, ఫస్ట్ స్లోప్ కనుక్కుందాం, టాంజెంట్ కనుక్కోవాలి. ఈ టాంజెంట్ ఫర్ దిస్ స్లోప్ డిఫరెన్షియేటింగ్ ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్స్ x into dy by dx plus y into 1 equal to constant 0, x into dy by dx minus y, dy by dx equal to minus y by x. Slope at px1 y1 any point kada px1 y1 is minus y1 by x1. Slope at any point px1 y1 is minus y1 by x1. Now equation of tangent is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, cross multiplication yx1 minus x1 y1 minus xy1 plus x1 y1, xy1 left side transfer, xy1 plus yx1 equal to the right side transfer, x1 y1 plus x1 y1 2x1 y1. ఇంటర్సెప్ట్ ఫామ్ లో కన్వర్ట్ చేద్దాం, x by a ప్లస్ y by b 1, 2x1 y1 బై లో పంపించేద్దాం, xy1 plus yx1 y 2x1 y1 equal to 1, xy1 by 2x1 y1 x by 2x1 yx1 by 2x1 y1 y by 2 y1 equal to 1. Area of triangle equal to half into modulus 2x1 into 2y1, that is 2 into modulus x1 y1, that is 2 into constant, because x1 y1 lies on the curve, px1 y1 lies on the curve xy equal to c, that implies x1 y1 equal to constant c, 2c, that is area of triangle equal to constant, area of triangle is constant. Area of triangle formed by tangent with coordinate axis, area of triangle formed by the tangent with the coordinate axis, area equal to half into modulus a into b, half into modulus x intercept into y intercept. అంటే మనకి ఇప్పుడు x intercept కావాలి, y intercept కావాలి. For this, first of all, find out the equation of tangent. Tangent means first differentiating on both sides, x into dy by dx plus y equal to 0, x into dy by dx equal minus y, dy by dx equal minus y by x. Slope at px1 y1 any point is minus y1 by x1, and px1 y1 lies on curve, that implies x1 y1 equal to c. ఈ కర్వ్ మీద ఉంది కాబట్టి p point x1 y1 equal to c అలా ఉంటుంది. Next, equation of tangent at px1 y1, that is y minus y1 equal m into x minus x1, whereas m is minus y1 by x1. Cross multiply x1 y y1 minus xy1 plus x1 y1, దీని లెఫ్ట్ దీని రైట్, దీని లెఫ్ట్ దీని రైట్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్, xy1 plus yx1 equal to x1 y1, 2x1 y1 బై లో పంపించాలి, x by 2x1 plus y by 2 y1 equal to 1. Area of triangle half into modulus a into b, a into x by a plus y by b equal to 2x1 into 2y1, ఒక 2 cancel, 2 into modulus x1 y1, x1 y1 అంటే c, that is 2c, which is constant. Area of triangle is constant. Okay, next exercise 10b, second one, first one, find the slope of tangent to the curve y equal to x minus 1 by x minus 2 where x not equal to and x equal 10. ఇక్కడ క్లియర్లీ మెన్షన్ చేశాడు x not equal 10, if x not equal to, if x equal to అనుకున్నప్పుడు ఏంటి, x minus 1 by 2 minus 2 0, x minus 1 by 0, x minus 1 by 0 infinity. Therefore at x not equal to given curve defined, if it is x equal to then infinity, but not possible. Therefore x not equal to given curve at x equal 10 అన్నాడు, differentiating with respect to x. With respect to x, that is dy by dx equal to u by v rule, x minus 2 into x d by dx of x minus 1 minus x minus 1 into d by dx of x minus 2 by x minus 2 whole square. Next, dy by dx at x equal to 10, slope అన్నాడు కదా, at x equal to 10 అప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ డెరివేటివ్ చేయాలి కదా, x minus 2 into derivative of x minus 1 1, x minus 1 into derivative of x minus 1 1, x equal 10 సప్పుడు చేద్దాం, 10 minus 2 plus minus 10 minus 1, 10 minus 2 whole square, 10 minus 2 8, 10 minus 1 9, 8 square 64, that is minus 1 by 64, which is slope of given curve y equal to x minus 1 by x minus 2, where x not equal to, at x equal to 10, differentiating on both sides we will get u by v rule, d by dx of u by v equal to v into u dash minus u into v dash by v square, u into v dash minus v into u dash by v into u dash minus u into v dash by v square, అదే అప్లై చేస్తే x minus 2 minus x minus 1 by x minus 2 whole square, dy by dx at x equal to 10, slope is x plus 10 minus 2 minus 10 minus 1 by 10 minus 2 whole square, అప్లై చేస్తే minus 1 by 64, which is slope of the given curve y equal to x minus 1 by x minus 2. Next, slope of the normal at theta equal to pi by 4. Slope of the normal to the curve x equal to a cos cube theta, y equal to a sin cube theta, at theta equal to pi by 4, at theta equal to pi by 4, normal slope కావాలి, at theta equal to pi by 4, curve ఏంటి, x equal to a cos cube theta, y equal to a sin cube theta. ఈ కర్వ్కి స్లోప్ కనుక్కుంటే తర్వాత ఆటోమేటికలీ నార్మల్ స్లోప్ వచ్చేస్తుంది కదా. నా ఫస్ట్ డిఫరెన్షియేటింగ్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు theta, dx by d theta, 3a cos cube 3 minus 1 square theta, derivative of cos theta minus sin theta. Next, dy by d theta, 3a sin square theta, derivative of sin theta cos theta, 3a sin square theta, derivative of sin theta cos theta. Next, dy by dx, dy by d theta by dx by d theta minus 3a sin theta cos square theta, 3a cancel, sin cancel, cos cancel, minus tan theta. అంటే స్లోప్ ఏమవుద్ది ఇప్పుడు theta in the pi by 4 minus tan pi by 4, that is minus 1 automatically. బట్ మనకు కావాల్సింది నార్మల్ స్లోప్ minus 1 by m, minus 1 by minus 1 1, that is normal slope to the curve x equal to a cos cube theta, y equal to a sin cube theta, at theta equal to pi by 4, curve x equal to a cos cube theta, y equal to a sin cube theta, dx by d theta, 3a cos square theta cos theta minus sin theta, 3a sin square theta sin theta cos theta, 3a sin square theta cos theta, dy by dx equal dy by d theta by dx by d theta, 3a sin square theta cos by minus 3a cos square theta sin theta, cancel by tan theta minus tan theta. Slope at theta equal pi by 4, so it's minus tan pi by 4, that is minus 1. Equation of, okay, tangent slope వచ్చింది, బట్ మనకు కావాల్సింది స్లోప్ ఆఫ్ ది నార్మల్. Normal slope into minus 1 by m. Minus 1 by minus 1, that is 1. Slope of the normal is 1 because m1, m2 equal to minus 1 kada. That is thus m2 equal to minus 1 by m1. Slope of the normal m2 equal to minus 1 by slope of the tangent m1. That is minus 1 by minus 1. That is 1.